Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. And in this video we will see what are math operators and how we can do simple arithmetics using those math operators. And we will try to make a simple kind of calculation or calculator in our code. So let's imagine or let's declare two variables x and y, and both will be integers, and one more variable we are going to declare, and this will be our answer. So answer variable, and then we will assign x is equal to some value, for example 20, and y is equal to some other value, for example 30, right? And now I want to perform some operations on x and y depending upon what I want. So for example, I want to add these two values. I can add these two values and store the result in the third variable, which is also an integer, like this. So x plus y, it's the same as we do in simple mathematics, right? This plus symbol adds two values. It's really simple, right? So now whenever we do x plus y and we assign this value to the answer variable, this will contain your answer of x plus y, right? So we can just write system dot out dot print line, and then we can just print this answer, right? So we can just write answer is equal to, so in double quotes we will say answer is equal to, and then there comes a operator called concatenation operator. When you use this plus in your print function, then this plus is called the concatenation operator. And this concatenation means that you want to add this string and this variable or value. Okay, so this function is intelligent enough to sense that this is a string and this is your integer, but using this concatenation operator you can print them as a single line. So let's try and run this program. Okay, and this gives us result answer is equal to 50, which is true. 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. Now to subtract these two values, you just need to add this minus symbol between these x and y. Okay, and let's try to run the program once again, and now answer is minus 10, which is true. 20 minus 30 is equal to minus 10. Okay, now in order to do multiplication, we cannot do x because x can be a variable. So to multiply to these two numbers, we use a symbol called this asterisk. Okay, asterisk or star or whatever you say, and this asterisk multiply the values which are we want to multiply. Okay, and once we run the program, and it gives the answer 600, which is true. 20 into 30 is 600. Now division is little bit not tricky but interesting. So when you want to divide two values, for example I will divide these two values, you will expect some decimal values as an answer, right? But let's try to get the answer, and answer is 0 in this case because we have declared all these values as an integer. Okay, so answer is also an integer, a variable, and x and y are also integer values, right? And whenever we divide two values, the answer will be integer, and if this answer is not integer, then you get 0. So for example, we divide 60 by 30, right, or 600 by 30. Let's divide 60 by 30 for now and compile the program, and we get 2, right? But when we get some numbers which are not totally divisible, what is the answer in this case? In this case also the answer is true, 2, because this integer value, our quotient for this value is 2. The answer for the division of 70 by 30 is 2 point something, right? But because this answer and these two are integer, we will only get the integer value out of this point value, and we will not get whole division value, which is 2 point something. But to get this decimal value as an answer, you can declare your variables as double. So when you do something like this, see what's the answer. Now the answer is 2.33, and this is the exact answer what we were expecting, right? So when you declare your variable as double, you will get the decimal values, and when you declare your variable as int, you will just get the whole quotient value, not the remainder. Okay, so when you run the program, you will only get the quotient. Okay, now there is one more interesting operator in Java, which is called modulus operator, and this gives you the remainder of the division. So once I run this program, the remainder is 10, right? So when you divide 70 by 30, you will get the answer, for example 2.33, but when you divide them, and the whole answer will be 2, quotient will be 2, and the remainder will be 10, right? So modulus operators returns you the remainder of the division. Okay, so these are some important math operators in Java. One is plus, second is minus, third is, so let's recap. So first math operator is minus, second math operator is minus, or first operator is plus and second is minus, third is multiplication, fourth is division, and the fifth one is this modulus. Okay, so these are some of the math operators in Java. And we have also learned that when you use this plus in your print line function argument, this will concatenate. Concatenation means joining two values, right? So this will concatenate your values as an answer. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.